now she's sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her that this love will last forever.
The first thing I do for my YouTube setup is put up my background stand. This came from Amazon for about $38, and it came with 2 support stands, 2 crossbars, and 3 photo clamps. So in this clip, I'm letting out the tripods and I'm making my support stands to my desired height. And next I am connecting my 2 crossbars. So you see this little silver thing? It's like a button, and then you push it and it clicks into the little hole. And there's 2 holes at the end of the 2 crossbars, and they go in the top of it. Like, you can see what I'm doing. So it's like a little hole, and you just stick it on top and it doesn't move. And after I put together the initial setup, I put up my background / sheet, and I use those photo clamps to make the background or sheet more taut. It makes my videos look more professional when I'm not using the background of my room or a blank wall. So after I have all my background stuff set up, I set up my folding table. Now, I'm little, so I had to get a fairly small folding table. This is like 20 by 46, and as you can see, it's really easy for me to just set up and move by myself without any help. So after the table, I just put up my folding chair. I didn't buy that chair from Amazon. That was just something I found in the attic at my house. So now it's time to set up my ring light. I did get this ring light from Amazon, and I paid like $99.99 for it, but I had a coupon, so it was like $89. Like, that makes a difference. But like I'm telling y'all, you get your money's worth. So after I've set up my ring light, I put in my tripod mount. Now, the tripod mount for my iPad did not come with the ring light. I actually bought it separately because I had that before I had my ring light. And after that, I plug my ring light in and I plug it into the wall. So now that I have all my stuff set up, it's almost time to film, but not quite yet. So I sit down and I really take this time to put my iPad inside the tripod mount, and I adjust it. I adjust my tripod mount, I adjust my iPad, I just adjust everything to make sure that it looks good. Okay, so this is my film setup. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Literally all the stuff that I have came from Amazon except for my iPad and this sheet and also this folding chair. This was just a folding chair that was at my house. But other than that, all my stuff comes from Amazon. And I really hope y'all enjoyed my revised version. Add some more camera angles and stuff like that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. All the stuff from my film setup will be linked in the description box. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.